Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. Most of my planners are a classic size because I do Franken plan. So this week it is St. Patty's Day, so I'm going to be using stickers that I have purchased off of Etsy, created and printed, as well as some stickers from the Sage book from the Happy Planner. I also pulled out the Recollection flowers that I've used last year because they do have a beautiful section of just green stickers in there, so I wanted to see if I could utilize any of it. So that's kind of the plan. First and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and add a girl to my spread because how could I not? And why do I do that? We are going to be planning for March 14th through the 20th, which, like I said, it is St. Patty's Day. And if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you are returning and joining me again, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I really appreciate it. So here we go. I pulled out some stickers from the Recollections. I just pulled out pages. It's fine. I'll stick them back in there if I don't use them. But like I said, first and foremost, we gotta get a girl down on a page. So I'm gonna be using one of these beautiful, well-dressed ladies right here. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use the one with the red hair. I've printed quite a few of those stickers, so I have done a spread with some of these stickers in my currently as well as monthly. So every month I do 4 currently pages and 4 monthly pages. If you're interested, go ahead and check those out. Those are always a lot of fun and different. So this month, obviously, it's March, so most of my stickers that I used are related to St. Patty's Day. Okay, let's put down this beautiful martini right here. So it's a clover martini. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to go ahead and put the cluster of green clovers and other little green foliage. That should work out great. So I'm just gonna plop it down and see how it goes. And then I am going to continue kind of filling it in. Maybe, let's see, maybe I should add some washi to the spread. And put those on the side and grab my washi. Let's see. Okay, and then I want to use a lot of different greens. So this washi tape with the foliage is last year's release from Recollections. I love this washi. As you can see, it's getting skinnier and skinnier because I do use it quite a bit. So if you are trying to find it, I would look in Michael's because they might have it still here and there, since it is a Recollections brand. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of outline this in a lighter green, in a very vibrant green. This spread, I feel like it's going to be 50 shades of green, but that's okay. Because again, 50 shades of green, St. Patty's Day, everything works. I'm gonna go ahead and add outlines, like I said, to the top and the bottom, and I think that's gonna really change the look a little bit. Okay, while I'm doing this, are you guys doing anything for St. Patty's Day? Are you going out to a bar and maybe having a green beer? Are you celebrating at home and making some traditions, or do you already have traditions that you celebrate? What is like your go-to on St. Patty's Day? And if you live in the city of Chicago like me, do you go down and see the river being dyed green, or do you kind of leave it be and don't agree with the environmental part of that and don't go? I used to go and watch the river turn green, but lately I've been feeling like for our environment it might not be the best decision, and those poor fish in there, so I haven't been going to watch the river be green. But I do celebrate St. Paddy's Day at home or with friends or in a bar every single year. I think that's such a fun tradition, and on that day saying I'm Irish is pretty much like saying I am human, which is amazing because all of us are human beings. Okay, so it's time to add some more pizzazz into the spread. I want to add quite a few more elements of functionality and decoration, but while my spread will be very, very decorated, I needed to stay as functional as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that quote and maybe add another box to the spread. The quote says, create your own kind of beauty, and then beauty and strength come from within, which is 100% true. And I'm gonna grab these green and white stickers. Let's find them. Right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my work schedule. I remember seeing those in the gig. That would be really good for work schedule, and it has all of the shades of green so I can play with, balance, and disperse them throughout. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, is adding all of these green elements to my spreads and balancing it out, making sure I have a work schedule that I can follow and track my hours. For all of you who messaged me and sent me good wishes and commented, thank you so much. I am recovering from my surgery. It is actually a much tougher journey than I expected. I was nervous about not being able to eat for a week or 2 weeks or however long and just being on liquid, but honestly the pain has been so severe that not eating has been the least of my worries. It's more about managing the pain and being able to sustain myself and kind of be okay through this, because it hurts. At times it really even hurts to breathe because the throat is so sore. I had my tonsils removed, and as an adult that's supposed to be pretty excruciating, and I confirm it is very excruciating. I am on pretty heavy pain meds, and even with that it's pretty hard to manage the pain. And I'm usually considered to have a pretty high pain tolerance, so that's been pretty tough. I'm gonna go ahead and add this huge box to the spread, and that can serve as my weekend to-do list, like a big one. Oh my gosh, that's so crooked. Okay, I'm gonna use undo really quick in very small amounts. I've been having some issues with stickers sticking down. I don't know if it's the stickers or if it's the actual Happy Fit planner paper. That formulation changed and doesn't adhere as well anymore. I'm really not sure. So let's take a look. Let me reposition this and put this down a little bit more straight, and hopefully it will work. Yep, beautiful. I really love these like sage feathers that they included. I think they're so beautiful. And I'm gonna add this little washi strips. Do what makes you happy. Let's see. So that could be my weekend to-do list. I'm gonna add a few of these sayings, and then I think I also need to look for another to-do list for Thursday, possibly. Let's see. Let me move this and add this large to-do list, and that will just be my weekly to-do list that I can focus on. I'm just gonna move all of these things a little and then create this cluster right here. Okay, this will help me stay on track throughout the whole week. I will put all of my non-time sensitive tasks on there, and then I can do them accordingly. So let's take a look. Let me move this just slightly. Okay, I think that works, and then I can put Be Authentic right above and my work schedule right underneath. Okay, I'm gonna add a few clovers because it is St. Patty's Day. So I'll just add a few. I know they are huge, but I really like how they look. So I'm gonna just sprinkle them throughout, not too many, like maybe 5 or 6, maybe less, depending how it looks. So let's take a look. I'm gonna add one here. Okay, let's add one in that empty space right there. And then I think I need one on Sunday. And clover wise, I think we're good. I really like this sage book. It is truly, truly beautiful. If you haven't watched my spring release video from the Happy Planner, please join me. I think it's a lot of fun, and I time-stamped everything, so if you want to see individual items, you can. And I'm gonna add just 1 or 2 more things to this spread. I think I should be done. It's very busy, but very beautiful, at least to me. So I really, really enjoy it. I'm gonna add these half circles to kind of fill in the color balance and the gaps. And I never use them, so I think that's a good use of them. Let me know what you think, but this spread is done. I'm gonna pop it back into my planner, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day. Bye.